How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode, and in this episode is LED time. You see the lights on the 2019 RAV4, uh, really basic, and I just want to show you everything that I've been collecting through the years. This is some LEDs. Lately, I like these ones more. I've been using these ones more because these ones, if you have this type of LED, sometimes they start going out. So this is cheap. This is from eBay. These ones they're being really good to me. I've been having no problems with them. But if you can see, we have small ones. You can see these ones. I don't know if it's T7 or T5. I believe it's one of those two. And all these are replacing my core on the dash. So you have these ones. I believe those are T7 and these ones are T5. Amazing. Tiny LEDs. I think this is for the clock on my core, and I put LED on it with these T5s. Even the smallest ones I've been changing on my core. But anyways, this time I'm gonna use this type just because, which is this one, just because these ones, they give me some problems sometimes. In the RAV4 there is only 2, 4, 5, 6 lights. So I'm gonna do step by step showing you how to replace all those lights in case that you wanna go from those lights to LED. Okay guys, the first light that we're gonna change is the one on the trunk. If you don't want to scratch the plastic, the covers, I recommend you to get these tools to remove the covers. So with this one, we're just gonna put it inside so we don't scratch anything. Okay, pull it out, and now we're just gonna press on the little tab right here. Just press on the tab and you remove the whole assembly. Now to open this with the, if you have a pick and hook like these ones, you're just gonna try to open these two on each side. And on the other side it has a little hole. Push it on it and then you're gonna be able to remove the whole cover. Okay, so these two right here, and when you press on this side, just lift them up from this side and you're gonna be able to remove the cover for the bulb. So now that you remove this one, this is the regular bulb. Just remove it, put the LED. So that's the new LED. And before that you put everything back together, just connect this one, turn it on. If it doesn't work, just switch the bulb, turn it around. There you have it, that's the new LED. Now that you have it right there, put it back on. Now we are here on the driver's side with the same tool. Remove the cover. Okay, that's the cover. Just be careful with it, be gentle. We'll remove the light bulb. and put the LED. You just have to pull that one out. Okay guys, so we have the bulb right there. Pull it out. If you have trouble pulling it out, in this side has a little tab. Push it. You push it all the way until this come out, and then you're gonna be able to pull the bulb out. Now you can grab your new bulb, put it on. Okay, works fine. If it doesn't work, just flip it around and should be good. See the difference now between that one and that one? Look at that one. Okay, those. Now the LED. So much better, huh? You can see the difference right there. So I'm gonna do the same for that one, and then I'm gonna move into these two. Okay guys, now for the ones in the middle, for those two, you have your little tool. You have to pry on this side, because on this side you push it, that's where the lights turn on. So you gotta do it on this side, and you gotta be gentle. Just pry a little bit on this side and on that side. Get the light out. Okay, once you pry on those two sides, is those two right here, you're gonna be able to remove it. Don't pry on this side, because you're gonna break this tab, and that's the one that push against the switch to turn the light on. You have to be careful on that one. Remember, pry on that side towards the front, and you're gonna be able to remove it. We're gonna do the same for the other one. Just be careful. Okay, that's how you remove it. Okay, that's how you remove them. If you don't have something to grab, like with a lot of grip, it's gonna be hard to pull them out. But in this case, we got it. We remove them. Okay, we have both. There you go. First, you gotta put the one on the back, inside, then the other little two on the front. Press it. There you have it. They look really good now. Okay, now the last one is gonna be the one on the back. Same thing for the one on the back with your little tool. There you go. We remove it. Okay, the little bulb is out. And we have this one right here, which is the same size. You can see right there. And we're gonna put this one on. Okay, it's gonna be that way. So just gonna put it on. It's not easy to record and put it on, that's why, but just if it doesn't fit one way, it doesn't turn on, just flip it and you shouldn't have any problems. Now we're gonna put the cover. There you go. So we're almost done. We just gotta replace the ones for the license plate, and LEDs on the RAV4 are pretty much done. So what do you guys think? We have the ones for the mirrors, the ones on the center console, the one on the back. You see the difference, how bright it is right now? It's amazing. the transformation that you can do just by changing the little light in the inside. Look at that, it looks amazing. So I'm gonna shoot another video, guys, on the light for the license plate and the light for the reverse. That's coming, but on this one, pretty much that's it, guys. It's really easy to do. I recommend you to go online to check which lights are compatible for the inside, but if you have T10s for those and one for the dome light, you shouldn't have any problems. So there you have it, guys. That's how you change the interior light on your 2018 RAV4. So guys, if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.